Hi everyone, and welcome to the Texas Water Development Board's latest water and weather report. I'm Dr. Mark Wenzel, a hydrologist here in the Surface Water Division at the agency. And today we'll be looking at conditions across our state at the end of February 2020. Here's the U.S. Drought Monitor map for conditions as of February 25th. At that time, 20% of the state was in drought, mostly below a line stretching from Del Rio in the west to San Antonio to Conroe in the east. Since late January 2020, moderate or worse drought, the tan and darker colors on the map, decreased 14 percentage points, mostly due to improvements above the line. But extreme drought, the red color on the map, has expanded 2 percentage points and now covers 3% of the state in several pockets in South Texas. This map shows how drought conditions changed across the state from late January to late February. Green areas on the map indicate improved drought condition. Yellow areas indicate degradation or worsening of drought condition. Some areas in northeast Texas improved 3 drought categories, going from severe drought to drought-free by the end of the month. On the opposite end of the spectrum, some areas of South Texas degraded to drought conditions, going from drought-free to moderate drought. Overall, the month of February was good for our water supply reservoirs statewide. The darkest line on this chart shows total water supply storage this year compared to minimum, maximum, and median values for the time of year. Also included on the chart are how we did in 2018 and 19. This year, we began the month of February at about 83% of capacity, 1 percentage point more than what is considered normal for that time of year. During the month, storage climbed to about 86% of capacity, 2 percentage points above normal for this time of year. The drought outlook for Texas for the next 3 months remains a mixed bag. Through the end of May, the National Weather Service is expecting improvement in North and Central Texas, continued drought in South Texas, and expansion of drought in West Texas. That concludes our water and weather report for February 2020. In summary, 20% of the state remains in moderate or worse drought, down from 34% at the end of last month. Extreme drought covers 3% of the state, up 2 percentage points from the end of January. Our water supply storage has improved and is now 2 percentage points more than normal for this time of year. In coming months, drought is expected to contract in Central and North Texas, but persist in the South and expand in the West. Thanks for viewing, everyone.